Hi, it's Mrs. Carl, and I'm here with Sight and Sound Phonics. Today we're going to be talking about the vowel Y. Oh, the vowel Y. When we say the alphabet, and we sing the alphabet song, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all right? We know that there are 26 letters of the alphabet, and almost all of them are called consonants. But then there are some letters in the alphabet that are not called consonants. We've talked about this many times. I just want to review it in your head so that you know where Mrs. Carl is talking about today, all right? So we know that there are a lot of consonants when we talk about the letters. But there also are some vowels. And the vowels are, can you help me? A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. All right? That's right. And sometimes Y is a vowel. Sometimes Y is a consonant, and that's why it's in white. And sometimes Y is a vowel, and it's in pink. So it can be both. Either. It can be either a consonant or a vowel. All the other letters of the alphabet that are not vowels are consonants in this. So that's why in Mrs. Carl's alphabet, they're going to all be in white. All right? Now, we've talked a lot about that the Y, when it's a consonant, says what? Do you know what Y says when it's a consonant? It says y, like in yes and yellow and you. It says y. But when Y is a vowel, it can say, help me. It can say I, right? Like if the word buy, Y, try, sky, right? You hear that Y saying I? Or it can say E. The Y can also say E when it's a vowel. And today, and for a few days now, we're going to make the Y say E. That's what we're going to spell out. Our words that have the Y say E. A lot of words have the Y say E. All right? The word many, candy, puppy. At the end of the word, the Y says E, but it's really a Y. That's what we're going to sound out today, and this is the sheet we're going to do. This is a puppy, all right, and a pony. A puppy and a pony. Now, can you get a piece of paper? Can you get a pencil? So you're ready to write these words with me? Or can you print out from the computer this sheet here that has the puppy and the pony? So we are ready to write together some words where the vowel Y is going to say E. When you're ready, I'm ready. All right, the first picture we're going to do, and the first word is going to be puppy. P. It's a lowercase, so it comes down below the line. P. What says Short U. Short U says Pup. Okay, another P's there. Now this word is pup. But we want it to say puppy. So we need another P. Okay, there's a P. Now, puppy, do you hear E? Now what letter is going to say E? The Y. The Y is going to act like a vowel, and it is going to say E. So we need a Y. And there is the word puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. Now we're going to write the word pony. Pony. Another P for pony. P. Po. You hear an O? Yes, we need an O. Pon, an N. Pony. Do you hear the E at the end? Do you think it's an E? You're right. It's not an E. It's going to be a Y. The Y is going to say E in pony. So we need a Y at the end of the word. P-O-N-Y. Pony. Pony. On our next blank space, we're going to write the word very. You are very special to me. You are a very good reader. You are a very good speller. And I'm very proud of you. Very. All right? Very is spelled V of V. Now when you write very, it's V-E-R. E-R. E-R. That's for very. A lot of these words, now remember, it's just, we write them so that you're practicing them, so that you learn them and you memorize them, because not all words can be sounded out. We can sound out some of the letters in words, but they can't all be sounded out, so you just have to learn them. And the word very is one of them. V-E-R. Very. Do you hear the E? It's not an E. What is it? A Y. There you go. Very. Now, the next word we're going to write together is going to be the word only. 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 I am the only person here. Only. Okay? You are the only person that I want to be with me right now. You are so special. All right? Only. Only. We're going to write the word only together. O. Well, that's easy. We need an O. Starts with an O. Own. An N. Only. Own. An L. Good. Now listen. Only. E. Do you hear the E? Should I put an E up there? No. What do I need? A Y. Great job. O-N-L-Y. Only. Only. Can you read the words for me? Puppy. Pony. Very. Only. Now we're going to do a sentence together. All right? When we write a sentence, we start with an uppercase letter. The first word we're going to write is the word who. 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 Now, you know, because I think we've practiced it a lot, how do we spell who? Wow, it has a silent W, doesn't it? It starts with a W. So we have to make an uppercase W because it's the beginning of the sentence. So who is spelled W? And then what else do we need for who? We need an H. And then an O. W-H-O. Who. Who. The next word I need is. Is. Two finger spacing. It. Short I. Is with an S. Who is. Then I want the little word a. But don't forget your spacing now. So we leave that word all by itself. There it is. Who is a. Now I want the word very. Very. All right? Now we know that we just wrote it right here. But let's sound it out a little bit. We know it starts with a V. And then it's E-R for very. E-R. And if we say very, we hear the E at the end. But does it end in an E? No. What letter is going to say E in the word very? Right, it's going to be a Y that's acting like a vowel, and it's saying E. Who is a very, now I want the word little, little. L, use your spacing please. L is L, L, I, I, short I, lit, a T, lit, little, another T, good, T, little, L, okay, and at the end of this word there is an E, all right? There is an E at the end of the word little. It doesn't say anything. It doesn't make this I say I. It just is silent. Little. All right? Who is a very little dog? D, the dog's head and the tail. Dog, G. Who is a very little dog? Who is a very little dog? Is that a question? You're asking the question who? Who is a very little dog? So we need a question mark to end it. All right, make your question mark and look at the pictures. Who is a very little dog? A puppy. Can you color the puppy? Or can you write the word puppy? Here it is right here, puppy. Whatever you would like to do to answer that question. That was great. That was great. What did the Y in all of these words here up here? The Y said what sound did the Y make? The E sound. Great job. Good work. Good work. I liked the high five too. All right. See you later. Bye-bye.